how to add pull request instructions in your codex. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll show you how you can add custom pull request instructions in your codex account. So for this, first launch your codex desktop application, and once the application launches, click onto the settings option at the bottom left corner. Then again click on settings, or alternatively you can press the control and the comma buttons to directly head into settings. Now within settings, go to the Git option under the coding section, and within here simply scroll down and you will see the PR instructions as follows. From here you can add the custom instructions which will be added to PR titles or description general prompts. From here simply add in the pull request instructions that you want and then click onto the save button right here. Once you will do this, you can see this option that says saved pull request instructions, and now your PR instructions have been successfully saved. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.